It's time for story time. It's time for story time. Come on, friends, and join me now. It's time for story time. Assalamu alaikum. And hello, friends. How are you today? My story time pals and I are so excited that you can join us. Well, I want to introduce to you one of my story time pals, and his name is Jackson. Boys and girls, say hello to Jackson. Hello, boys and girls. Assalamu alaikum. Hello, friends. How are you, Jackson? Oh, I'm fine. How are you? I'm doing great too. Do you know we have a story today? What? A story? I love story. What story are we going to read today, Miss Baig? Well, I will tell you along with our friends. So let's begin. Come on. Our story for today is Llama Llama, Mess, Mess, Mess by Dewdney. Llama Llama in his room, cars and trucks, goes honk and zoom. Racing under sheets and chairs, Mama Llama calls upstairs. Time to pick up all your toys. Why is Mama making noise? Mama says it's cleaning day. Llama only wants to play. Mama says to make the bed. Llama Llama shakes his head. We all have a job to do, even little llamas too. What if Mama never cleaned? Imagine that. What would that mean? If Mama didn't dust or mop, she'd toss the rags and off she'd hop. She'd take the clothes all clean to wear and throw them up into the air. Not doing laundry anymore, just drop the towels upon the floor. She'd pull the sheets right off the beds and wear the blankets on her head. She'd leave the pots and pans and plates and dance around on roller skates. Then zoom into the living room to make a fort with mops and brooms. She'd have herself some crunchy snacks and throw the bags behind her back. Crumbs and clothes and peanut shells. What's this thing? What's that smell? Messy counters, dirty drawers. Where is Mama? Where's the floor? Everything's in disarray. Llama has no place to play. Clutter, chaos, and distress. No more llama. Mess, mess, mess. Grown-up llamas clean, that's true, but little ones can pick up too. Llama Llama nods his head. Maybe we should clean instead. Llama Llama picks up blocks, puts them all into his box. Books go back up on the shelf. Llama puts them there himself. Are there things beneath the bed? Check and see. Lift up the spread. Look what llamas got. Each thing has its special spot. Llama puts the sheets up tight. Mama tucks the quilt just right. Lots of space to play with Mama. Guess who's proud of Llama Llama? The end. Let's bring back our friend Jackson and see how he enjoyed the story. Hey Jackson, how are you? Good, I'm fine. Did you enjoy the story with our friends? Oh yes, I did enjoy the story very much. What was your favorite thing about the story? My favorite thing was when Llama was playing and playing and playing, but he forgot to clean up and he wondered what if Mama wouldn't clean up? What would happen to the house? That's right. So did you notice what happened to the house? If Mama did not clean? Oh, yes, I noticed that. But that reminded Llama that he had to clean up as well to make sure the house was clean. That's right. And that's what he did. Llama helped clean up the house with his mama to make sure that everything was put in place. That's right. So boys and girls, Jackson and I want to make sure when you play with your toys, you get to put them back where they belong, just like you would do at school. So I'm so glad that we had a great time listening to this story, and we love to see you soon next time on Storytime with Miss Baig. Alaikum. Bye-bye, boys and girls. See you soon. All right, Jackson, we'll see you soon. Let's sing our song. The more we meet together, 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 the more we meet together, the happier we'll be, because your friends are my friends and my friends are your friends. The more we meet together, the happier we'll be. Assalamu alaikum. See you soon.